Hello friends, welcome to OTICA Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of OTICA make stethoscope. OTICA has a different kind of stethoscope and this is a very basic model OST-11. So the stethoscope starts from this range. It comes with a 1-year warranty as well as this stethoscope is widely useful for the nursing staff and the undergraduate student. So it comes with the accessories set, one diaphragm and 2 earpiece has been given by the company as a spare parts. So in future if your diaphragm got damaged, you can replace it, and the earpiece also you can replace it, has been given by the company. Company has given the warranty card along, so you have to feel it. This is the stainless steel 304 frame, as well as it comes with the identifier tag. You can put your name over here, and this also comes with a aluminium chest piece. So the chest piece is ultra lightweight and of black color, and it is having one side adult chest piece and one side given by the bell, so you can see and change the requirement of your sound side. And this is the stethoscope, comes in a very economic range, and this is for the beginners. And this comes with a full stretchable ear frames, so it will long last for many years. So this is how the quality comes with, and company has also given the genuine tag or verification tag that you can see over here. The OTICA has been engraved on the frame also for the genuinity purpose. So this is how the company has given the very basic ST011 stethoscope. Thank you for watching.